Black and white, a living code. Every stripe a different road. No two patterns ever same. Born with warfare in their frame. When the lioness locks on, stripes collide and focus gone. Blur the lines and break the aim. Survival is a visual game. They're not running, they're deceiving. Turn inside into misleading. Stripes of freedom, stripes of war. More than beauty, so much more. Optical illusion on the plane. Breaking predators, deadly aim. Standing strong when danger calls. Living fortress, never falls. They're the fighters, bold survivors. We're the wild, still remembers. Foal can find its mother's face, reading stripes in crowded space. Herring bonds in her defense. Unity is common sense. Kick and shatter lion bone. Teeth that bite through grass and stone. Bark a warning, stand your ground. This is battle, not a playground. They're not victims of the chase. They're combatants holding space. Stripes of freedom, stripes of war. More than beauty, so much more. Optical illusion on the plane. Breaking predators, deadly aim. Standing strong when danger calls. Living fortress, never falls. They're the fighters, bold survivors. We're the wild, still remembers. Scientists are learning why stripes confuse the bite and fly. Can't land right upon the coat. Nature's armor, that's the quote. Ancient roots are fading fast. Fences cutting through their past. But they remember where water hides. Moving with strategic pride. Stripes of freedom, stripes of war. More than beauty, so much more. Optical illusion on the plane. Breaking predators, deadly aim. Standing strong when danger calls. Living fortress, never falls. They're the pattern keepers running. Where the wild is still becoming. They're the fighters, bold survivors. Refusing to surrender. Stripes of freedom, born to last. In a world that's changing fast. When the herd begins to swirl, predator eyes start to blur. Stripes of freedom, weapon worn. Africa